thank you, all of you. I want to thank you now, getting me back on my feet again. Someone like you could make me change my ways. Someone like you could turn the nights into days. Someone like you could make me change my